My folks, my peeps, blessed love, this is Stacia Fya, and today I'm going to be teaching you Come Yah. Now Come Yah is basically hand movements with the waist. So you call it Come Yah, Come Yah, Come Yah. That's the basic movements on the hands. The waistline is around or thick. Depending how your hands flow, the hands can flow and match with your waistline. So, basic, Come Yah, Come Yah, double, 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 swing it, drop. Again, Come Yah, Come Yah, double, double the Come Yah, double, double the Come Yah, double, double the Come Yah, swing it, make it drop. Additional, what do you call that now, extensions to Come Yah. Hands working on the waistline. Tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it. Squeeze it in, turn it around. Come Yah. And that's Patois, Jamaican lingua for come here. So, learn your Come Yah. This is a female dance, obviously, and it's basically to call in the gentlemen, or the boys, or the men, whatever. So, hands, fingers, calling them in, waistline, calling them in, and it's just an attitude. Come Yah, Come Yah, double, double, Come Yah, Come Yah, rock it, run the rhythm. Come Yah, one.